f of x is equal to 4 minus x for values of x between 0 and 1, 4x minus x squared for values of x between 1 and 4, and 2x minus 8 between x is 4 and x is 6. We want to draw the function f of x, or y equals f of x. So if we look at the first section, 4 minus x is a straight line. When x is equal to 0, y will be equal to 4 take away 0, which is 4. When x is 1, y would be equal to 4 take away 1, which is 3. So that section is going to go from 0, 4 to 1, 3. So that should be a straight line just there. The next section is a quadratic. It goes from x is 1 to 4. When x is equal to 1, y would be equal to 4 times 1 take away 1 squared. So that's 4 take away 1, which is 3. So it's going to match to the same point. When x is equal to 4, it would be 4 times 4, which is 16. Take away 4 squared, which is 16. So y is equal to 0. But we need to know the shape in between. And if we consider 4x minus x squared, we could factorize that as being x and 4 minus x. So that would give us that there would be x-intercepts at x equals 0, which is outside the range. If it were to continue past 1, it would go through this point, and x equals 4. So we have that point there. What else can we find? Well, if we differentiate it, we would get 4 minus 2x. And if we put that equal to 0, that gives us 2x equals 4, x equals 2. Now, because we know there's a negative x squared here, we know that the curve is going to be this shape, and it will have a maximum when x is 2. When x is equal to 2, y would be 4 times 2, which is 8, take away 2 squared. So that's 8 take away 4, which is 4. And so there'll be a maximum just here. And so we know that it's going to be shaped something like this. Then we have the final section, 2x minus 8. So when x is equal to 4, that's going to be 2 times 4, take away 8, which is 0. So again, they're going to match. When x is equal to 6, it's going to be 2 times 6, which is 12. Take away 8 gives us 4. So that is going to go up to 6, 4. And that section would be a straight line. So let's move on to 3b. G of x is 6 minus 3x. Work out the inverse function. So let y be equal to 6 minus 3x. And then let's interchange x and y. So x is equal to 6 take away 3y. We now want to make y the subject. So add 3y to both sides. 3y plus x is equal to 6. Subtract x from each side. 3y is equal to 6 take away x. Divide by 3. 6 minus x divided by 3. And so g to the negative 1 x is going to be 6 minus x over 3.